Adventure-ready cooking with the GOSUN Sport Solar Oven Portable Stove. Imagine savoring a hot, delicious meal while basking in nature. No gas, no fire, just sunlight. The GOSUN Sport Solar Oven Portable Stove makes this possible, offering an eco-friendly, reliable way to cook anywhere the sun shines. Adventure cooking just got a major upgrade. This stove is built for on-the-go explorers. Weighing just 7 pounds, it folds into a compact, durable clamshell design. Completely submersible and easy to carry, it's perfect for camping, picnics, or even backyard get-togethers. Take it wherever your adventures lead. The GOSUN Sport isn't just convenient, it's efficient. Reach temperatures of up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit to enjoy baked, roasted, or steamed meals in as little as 20 minutes. Its vacuum tube design cooks food evenly from all sides, locking in nutrients and flavor without constant monitoring. No fuel? No fire? No problem. This stove uses solar power, making it a safe, flameless option for off-grid cooking. Its cool-to-the-touch exterior eliminates burn risks, while reducing your environmental footprint. It's outdoor cooking, reimagined for safety and sustainability. Every GOSUN Sport Solar Oven comes ready to fuel your adventures. The set includes a cooking tube, foldable reflectors, a stainless steel tray, a rugged cleaning scrub, and a detailed manual, everything you need to cook up a solar-powered feast. The GOSUN Sport Solar Oven ensures you enjoy hot, healthy meals wherever you roam, all while saving on fuel and protecting the environment. Don't wait, gear up for your next adventure. Click the link in the description to learn more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more outdoor tips.